NBA 2026-27 rookie battle is here. Basketball Fire AJ Dybantsa versus Darryn Peterson, who will become the next superstar. NBA 2026-27, the rookie battle that could change the league. NBA Summer Forecast 2026-27, projecting rookie MVP's future impact. The 2026-27 NBA season is getting closer, and basketball fans are already looking toward a new generation of stars. After an exciting summer league, several highly rated rookies have given fans an early idea of what they could bring to the NBA. Among the biggest names are Washington's #1 pick AJ Dybantsa and Utah's #2 selection Darryn Peterson. Both players entered the draft with enormous expectations, and their summer performances have only increased the excitement surrounding their NBA debuts. Dybantsa immediately attracted attention by scoring 27 points in his summer league debut against Utah. That performance tied the record for the most points scored by a #1 overall pick in a summer league debut, putting his scoring ability firmly in the spotlight. But the Rookie of the Year race is unlikely to be limited to just two players. Other highly regarded rookies, including Caleb Wilson, Brayden Burries, and Darius Acuff Jr., are also expected to compete for major roles and could quickly become important players for their teams. One of the most interesting questions is which top pick has the higher long-term ceiling. Dybantsa possesses the type of offensive talent that could eventually make him one of the league's elite scorers. His size, skill, and scoring potential give him the tools to become a franchise player. Peterson, meanwhile, enters a Utah situation that could provide him with a very favorable environment for development. Jazz head coach Will Hardy has established himself as one of the NBA's promising young coaches, and Peterson should have opportunities to learn and contribute while playing alongside established scorers. Utah already has players such as Lauri Markkanen, Jaren Jackson Jr., and Keyonte George, giving Peterson talented teammates who can create offense without requiring him to control every possession. That could allow the rookie to develop his own game without carrying the entire offensive burden from day one. The biggest question now is simple. Which rookie will make the biggest impact in 2026-27? Could Dybantsa become the next superstar? Could Peterson emerge as an elite two-way scorer? Or will another rookie unexpectedly steal the spotlight? The NBA has a long history of rookies exceeding expectations, and this incoming class could be another special one. The 2026-27 season is almost here, and the race for the next NBA superstar has already begun.